Hi, Tiggy. How is my little kitty? Oh, so cute. So cute. Do you want to go outside? Look at you go! Underneath the trees. Oh, don't eat that, Tiggy. Look here. Tiggy. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, you're so cute. I'm recording him. I'm recording him on video. Okay. You go play in the wilderness. Bye. Mom. In our backyard then. Okay. See you later, baby.